Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm just finishing up some non-woven grocery bags. So I'm gonna take you guys through and show you how to make non-woven grocery bags for yourself. So I'm gonna show you guys the one that I'm doing right now. The ones that I'm working on are like two colored. So basically, I just cut the whole entire thing in one color and then I separated 9 inches. So I cut off 9 inches, and then I just slap it onto the other colors. So I end up with mixed colors. And the straps that I did, these straps, let's see, they are 17 inches long, and I cut them at 2 inches wide. So you're gonna need 4 inches. You cut that into 4 inches by 17 inches. You cut that into to get the two straps, and then you just fold them onto the right side and stitch them onto the right side. So you will see the raw edges, but the thing about non-woven is that you don't have to stitch on the wrong side and then turn it over and all of that extra. Non-woven fabrics, they do not fray or anything like that. The way how you cut them, that's how they are finished up. So you just literally sew your bags. I just joined the colors. Now, like I said, I cut the whole entire thing. Now the whole entire thing is 32 inches long, and I have these at 16.5 inches wide. So this is a finish one with the yellow at the bottom and then the brown at the top, and then I just used back the color straps to go with it. This one would finished out to have the brown at the bottom and the yellow at the top with the brown straps. So I'm just gonna go on ahead and finish this one, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to sew one for yourself. And I place it, I marked 6 inches away from each other. So I find the center, and then from the center, 3 inches on one side, 3 inches on the other side. So you get 6 inches away. And on the outside of the mark, I will put the straps, and the side that I have the cut, I put it on the inside, and the side that has the fold, I put it on the outside. And I will simply just stitch it like this. Repeat the process to the other end. Fold over. Remember guys, you're not going to be doing any form of serging or bending over the edge. You just fold it over an inch. I'm using the measurement on the shuttle plate, and I am just going to be folding over an inch and stitching that down flat. When I get to the top part, so you're gonna give it a top stitch as well at the edge. When you get to where the strap is, you're going to be giving that a double stitch, so you just back stitch on that. So go back stitch, and go again, back stitch again, trim up your threads. And now you're gonna go ahead and join the sides. So I match up the seams, go all the way down. Alright, so once you're done with that, you're going to be folding the edge just like this. Now usually I would make like 2 inches. For these ones, I'm only doing like 1.5 inches for this one. So I make 1.5 inches. So I measure from the end here to here and measure 1.5 inches, and then I just go across. So we're gonna be stitching that. Here you guys, stitch it a few times. Then you're gonna be cutting 1/4 inch away from the stitch that you just did. You're gonna repeat that process to the next side. And just like that, you are pretty much done with your bag. Let me turn the sewing machine off. You are done with your bag. So this is how easy a non-woven bag is sewn. And if you're not joining the pieces, if you're not joining two colors, it's even easier to sew. So this is it. Oh, let me show you guys the next one. So this is what your non-woven bags would look like. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I'll show you guys how to sew one properly now. Okay, bye.